Alright guys, I'm back here and this is the JJRC drone that I talked about. And I'm going to open up these rotors here, these propellers, and see if they even fit on there. I'm hoping that they do. They give you a whole bunch in here. I got them off Walmart. And, well, let's see what happens. These are probably not the same ones that came with the machine, but hopefully they will work just the same. And I'm not a stickler for it being, stock, so long as it works and it does a great job of flying. So these are definitely a little bit larger than the originals. And I'm hoping, as I'm not an expert on this, that, oh, looks like they do fit. So that's good. And then I'm not sure, somebody much smarter than me who's been using these drones for a lot longer told me that the direction in which they are set up really matters. So if you set them up incorrectly, then your drone will be pulled in one direction or the other. And so I am hoping that I'm getting this right. And I guess that's probably why you have two black ones and two of a different color. Maybe that's to signify that. Oh, this one does not seem to want to go in. Not sure why. Maybe the plastic molding wasn't done perfectly or whatever. Well, the other worry is when it spins, will it just fly off and smack you in the eye? We'll just have to be a little bit further away from the machine when we try it out. It looks like these are supposed to be opposites. So if that's been done correctly, then it should fly. Anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video where we test that out. But yeah, got these off Walmart, and hopefully they will work beautifully. Anyway, see you in the next video.